You don't even know. Shut up. Hi. What'd you do?
Well, oh, it's a lamina, yeah. But, yeah, I don't know.
Was it fun?
What we do?
What'd you do?
Yeah, it was fun. We went to see all the monuments and stuff. That's pretty much it, but it was fun.
I'll take a picture of them.
She'll actually get us a tour in the White House.